40 Days of Love, 40 Days of Lent, Rebirth and Renewal. What is it about? As I was looking for some material for contemplation during the Christian season of Lent a few years ago, I ran into a book called 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak. It is a fictional story of love and the relationship between Shams and Rumi. And most importantly, the book offers 40 so-called rules on how to live a spirit-filled life. As I was reading the book, I have fallen in love with both the story and the rules. I found them thoughtful and deep. Each one made me think. They reminded me how much we are attached to the fantasy of rom-coms that tell nothing about the truth of love. They do not make it real or even believable. But there is a kind of love that is beyond the warm and fuzzy emotions and fantasies. A love that Rumi and Shams wrote so beautifully about. We often spend countless hours trying to find love in another person or in the world. But what we fail to see is that the love we are so desperately searching for is right there within ourselves. It has always been there. We only need to discover it or uncover it, more like. Personally, I think it is important to find the true meaning behind the word love. Understand it and experience it as a spiritual quality inherent within us all. So, I am walking this 40-day Lenten journey contemplating on the true meaning of love, divine love or spiritual love for me, by experimenting with the 40 rules and quotes from the Lenten booklet produced by Unity Worldwide Ministries. I will post a rule from the book of 40 Rules of Love and a release idea from the book 40 Days of Rebirth and Renewal, Lent 2025 by unity.org. Let's walk this journey together. Join me.